Like, who's the main contractor who did this drawing? It's China State, one of the biggest construction moguls around the world. It's not even tycoon, it's mogul. It's mega size company. That's basically the government of China is behind the China State. This is very detailed schedule of the dates of this drawing. Why it's important to have the dates of the drawing? Because when first you make the drawing, you have submission dates. You have submission target to meet. And you have to mention that this drawing is on this date. When this drawing got revised by your client, and it comes back, oh, we have comments. You need to revise this drawing again, and you need to resubmit again. Then you have proof. You have proof that the second line is the new date of submission, that I have submitted this drawing in that particular date, and no one can argue with you about this. Why? Because time is money in business. If you fail to resubmit in certain time, you will be blamed by delaying the project. And there will be financial sequences. And someone will come after you for money about this. You are responsible for the delaying of the project. But you are innocently, you did nothing. You just only delayed the drawing in a few days. It doesn't matter. Because there are many people, they will come after you, and their scope will come after your scope, so they all got delayed. So time is money here. Here you have the indication of all the elements mentioned here, that we have steel, glass, wavy panel, MDF panel, concrete, anchor bolt. You have full description, like some kind of index, that these items are here in this drawing. Full index. And then here you leave some space. With respectable companies, they leave this space for, stamping, approving, commenting, signing. For not so much, they might sign everywhere and they might stamp everywhere. But this decent space is particularly for the stamping, also for the record purpose. Hope my answer is enough.
Yes. Can I go in one of the details? Just I want to show Mohammed that the specifications should be aligned and from the left to the side. One of the details. Can you go to the another picture? That's on the top.
You mean same? Or?
Yeah, one of the details go for the third level.
For the third level, okay. This one?
No, there is another one. That there is a specification. Too much. It is
the last one, maybe the last one, the final.
All right.
This one. See,
flooring?
Yeah. See the specification, Mohammed. It's supposed to be aligned, and even the arrow. It's not going like diagonal line. You will do something that is overlapped, and it's not readable. It's supposed to be see. Even the specification from the left, it is aligned. The right side, it's aligned. From the bottom, supposed to be in a level horizontal. Do you know what I mean? Yes. It's supposed to be systematic.
See, it's very much detailed and everything with arrow. Very much detailed. That this one and this one, all the material was described in a crystal clear way. All right. Any more questions? I hope that my summary. But by the way, that's very, very general and, overall summary of how you do drawings. Of course, you need lots of practice to reach the stage, but I hope that what you hear now have ignited some kind of, construction sense. Again, you are free to do whatever designs you want, as long as you have in mind how to build it, or at least have an idea how to build it. Most often, you have more than one idea. I mean, one thing can be done in so many different ways, and you have freedom to do it. It's all about, let's say, the practicality and the cost. of this. All right? So if you have no more questions, thank you very much for attending this class. I hope that it was useful for you. I might ask you to, you can go through my website, arsompose.com. I have also on social media, YouTube channel. I hope that you can see something really useful there. And thank you very much.
Thank you.